Good day, everyone. In behalf of my groupmates, I am here in order to present our project regarding the security alarm using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. I am from the 5th group and we were assigned to do an Arduino-based project. This is as a requirement for our subject Physics 2 under Professor Chrisel and Alvarez. The group 5 members are the following: Baculad Lynde, Balanay Genelou, Torres Agnes, Trujillo Berleen, Angelie, and yours truly, Moreno Chrisel Mae. This video of ours is going to tackle about the project's objectives, materials, procedure, data and analysis, our final output, conclusion, and of course our recommendation, as well as the references as to where we have based our project. Our project, which is entitled Security Alarm Using Arduino and Ultrasonic Sensor, has the following objectives. First is to understand the function of Arduino Uno. Second is to be able to create a security alarm using Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor. Third is to be familiar with the Arduino software or Arduino IDE along with the components used for prototyping. Fourth is to be able to understand every line of code executed in the loop and distinguish the RGB values. And lastly is to integrate the Arduino board to control the ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. Here are the following materials that we're going to need for our security alarm using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. Due to the lack of some of the materials in the local stores, we have decided to order online using Shopee so that we could complete our project. After 10 days, we then received our parcel, which then contained our LED lights, Arduino Uno, and of course our ultrasonic sensor. The main component of our project is of course our Arduino Uno. Next is our ultrasonic sensor, then our 3 to 5 watts RGB LED lights, and of course our buzzer. 3 to 1000 ohms resistor, 4 male jumper wires, breadboard, and last but not the least, our USB cable.
So first, I will be connecting the ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard. So as you can see, the ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins. That is the ground, echo, trig, and also VCC. So I will now insert this one here. There you go. Then next, I will be inserting the 4 jumper wires at the back part of the ultrasonic sensor. So the jumper wire should be in line with the 4 pins here. So let me just insert this one first. So this is how it looks like now. So after this one, I will be inserting the male jumper wires to the Arduino. So I will connect this one here. So the sensor CVV should be connected to the 5V here. So there are actually labels here at the side where you can where you are going to insert the jumper wires. So it should be connected here. Then the sensor ground should be connected at the GND. So okay. All right, there you go. Then next is The sensor trig should be connected to number 9 here. There are actually numbers at the right side of the Arduino here. So trig is number 9, then echo is number 10. Alright. Alright, so we have already connected the jumper wires here. Now for the next step, we will be needing the buzzer and 2 jumper wires.
According to our data and analysis, the Arduino-based project we have made provided with breadboard, jumper wire, resistor, LEDs, buzzer, and ultrasonic sensor made a security alarm. The project was a success as we tried to know what the cause of the initial trials we had to malfunction and fixed it. First is that the Arduino-based project made use of Arduino IDE as its operating system for the Arduino Uno to be programmed with the specific codes needed in order for the security alarm to work. Second is that the Arduino software, or Arduino IDE, is basically an open source which could enable us to write codes to be uploaded to the board, and in this case, this particular software can be used with Arduino boards. Third is, one of the main issues we have encountered when we were making the project was when the buzzer and LED light didn't work because of the wrong arrangements. Fourth, the wrong arrangements we are referring to are when the components were interchanged, where they should supposedly be connected or attached to in order to work well. Fifth is, as we have successfully connected the circuit for our Arduino-based project, we were able to make the security alarms component work together. Given that we have the right codes and arrangement of the components in the Arduino, and of course our breadboard, it then enabled our system to work perfectly as it should be. The codes allowed the security alarm to work, and without it would be impossible for the system to run.
Good. Sensor na dari mo ko.
In conclusion, with our project security alarm using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, we have demonstrated that it is indeed possible for the Arduino to do tasks such as lighting LED as a response to the input made by uploading a certain program to the Uno in the form of codes having been prepared through the Arduino IDE, as well as being able to control buzzers and ultrasonic sensors. By exploring on this Arduino-based projects, it will help us see what a small component it is, but a powerful one. As a recommendation for further studies, perhaps in the future, this device can be carried out in many ways. The following are the recommendation of the researchers to the future researchers or inventors. First is that you could possibly change the brightness of LED lights using digital output. Second is use a variety of Arduino boards. Then you could possibly use a light-dependent resistor or LDR, making the lights automatically on or off without manual operation of its lighting system. And last is that check the availability of the components to be used, and if there are none in your local stores, like what happened to ours, try checking in legit online electronic shops for one. For those who are curious about to what store we have purchased our components, we're just going to attach the link or perhaps the name of the store at the end of this video.